Are you craving a delicious, crispy sandwich that's quick and easy to make? Say hello to the Aigostar Deep Fill Toastie Maker, your new favorite kitchen companion for all your sandwich cravings. With its non-stick flat plates, you can effortlessly create mouth-watering paninis, grilled cheese, and so much more without worrying about any mess. The deep fill design means you can load up on your favorite ingredients, so each bite is as satisfying as the last. The handy locking latch ensures that everything stays in place, giving you perfectly sealed toasties every time. Plus, the built-in indicator lights guide you, so you know exactly when your sandwich is ready. No more guesswork. Just imagine biting into a golden, crispy sandwich with warm, gooey cheese and fresh fillings, made fresh in minutes right in your own kitchen. Whether it's a quick lunch during a busy day, a cozy snack for movie night, or a fun meal to make with the kids, the Aigostar Toastie Maker brings warmth and comfort to any occasion. It's compact and easy to store, so it fits perfectly in any kitchen, big or small. Don't wait to elevate your meal experience. Order your Aigostar Deep Fill Toastie Maker today and start enjoying delicious, homemade toasties whenever you want. The link is in the description.